Wait.
We're hijacking your day.
You're Battercraft's founder from Bangalore, and we are the Chutney team from Chennai.
Today we're taking that dosa guy to try one of Chennai's most iconic dosas.
Oh, okay. I'll be the judge of that.
Let's go.
Serious question. You somehow made a dosa with 10 grams of protein. How?
It's actually quite simple. We just brought back ancient grains. We don't mix any of these whey protein or pea protein or no isolates. We use horse gram and green gram. So horse gram was actually given to horses in the past, right? Wait, what? I'm sure there was this one intrusive guy, like how when you decide, like you think about eating dog food. So I think there was some guy like that who tried eating horse food. The horse gram, both horse gram and green gram are naturally super high in protein. And they're also extremely high in fiber, right? And that's exactly what we need to look for now. Protein, there's now protein in air, there's protein in beer, there's protein in everything, but fiber, that is what you need to look out for.
But be honest, did you have to sacrifice the taste to get the protein to be that high?
Actually, it's funny enough, it's the other way around. Once we started having these dosas, we don't like the rice dosas anymore. Like this tastes way better than the normal dosa.
Who is this actually for? Is it for gym rats, or is it for busy people, or is it for like the general audience, everyone?
Okay, let me ask you a question. You're a gym rat, right?
Yeah.
So what do you focus on in your diet? Is it the protein or is it fiber? What do you look for in your diet?
I focus mainly on the protein only. I don't look at fiber much.
Then in that case, how do you think your protein is going to get absorbed by your body?
Okay, I hadn't really thought of that.
Exactly. I also did not think about that when I started off with Battercraft. I knew that these are super grains and I knew they have a great protein value, etc. Then I sent it to a recipe curator and she said, Mohit, the fiber values seem off. Can you get it tested? And then we see, to our surprise, it was like, wait, it's not 0.3 grams of fiber, it's 16.8 grams of fiber. So what that means is half of your daily dietary requirements, you could basically get them out of 3 doses. And to answer your question, who is this for? In all honesty, I think it's for everybody. Like how often does someone have the time to bring out horse gram, green gram, turn them into a mix? There are apps that bring you food for 10 minutes which don't really have any nutritional value. So in that same 10 minutes, how can you get maximum amount of nutrition? Right? That is exactly why we created Battercraft.